Hi crafters, today we're making the jiggliest water slime you've ever seen. Stay to the end for the results, you won't regret it. Shout out to Joseph for this recipe. If you're a unicorn, leave a like on this video. Subscribe for more DIY content. Now let's get into it. In a clean container, slowly pour in your clear glue, about 150 ml. Now to add in your water, I'm using one water bottle but a little bit of water at a time. Mix until well combined. We really want all the water to penetrate into the glue. The more water, the more jiggle. Adding a pop of blue to make it cartoon colored water. Next, we're gonna add our DIY activator. If you need a recipe for that one, check out my channel. A few squirts of activator at a time, and we're gonna give it a mix. And what we're gonna see here is the glue start to form in the middle. More mixing is needed for the activator to work its way into the glue. Check out this underwater action. You can actually see the glue start to form into a nice clear slime. I know it looks really runny right now, but that's why we're gonna leave it for a couple hours for the mixture to combine well together. The mixture will combine to look like this. It's honestly the jiggliest slime I've ever made. I am absolutely loving this water slime. This slime literally feels like jelly, and the texture is just the same. Let me know how it goes if you try it. Thanks for watching.